In this video we will show you how to attach the sidearm to a standard or deluxe iGo. Firstly, snip off any cable ties from the piping at the front of the machine, taking care not to pierce the pipe. Detach the spray head and set it aside. This is to enable you to move the spray head across once the sidearm is in place. Unscrew the hand wheel so you can lift the discs up to be able to remove the R-clip and washer. Using a 10mm spanner, loosen the plunger screws. Unhook the lifting cable from its slot and slide the pre-drilled hole bar far enough to be able to take the discs off. Once they're removed, completely remove the bar. Now take the side extension bar with the holes to the outside of the machine and slide in. Once in place, replace the washer and R-clip. Slide on the discs with the small bolts facing towards the machine. Insert the metal plungers into the appropriate holes. Tighten the hand screws on each disc. Then hook the lifting cable back into place. Take the other part of the sidearm. Loosen the hand wheel on the main shaft and slide on, tightening once it's in place. Next, unwind the cable on the original spray head. Unclip the piping from the spray head and move it over to the sidearm shaft and tighten in place with the hand wheel. Replace the piping into the extension and the main spray head, ensuring the fittings are pushed together tightly. To finish off, feed through the piping and cable and fix cable ties, cutting off the excess. Replace and tighten the side hand wheel and the sidearm is now in place.